Moldbook had 1.5 million agents, scary manifestos, religions. It looked like AI truly went rogue and some of the wildest things that we scared are coming true. But later a study revealed that most of them were just humans prompting AI agents to go rogue or to spread hate against humans. The thing is that AI never turned evil. Humans used AI to amplify their inner chaos and the things that they truly wanted. Same AI that writes manifestos can spread positivity also. The same AI which hated humans could done better things if prompted accordingly by a human. The tool was never good or bad. It was the person prompting them who decided whether the tool will be used for spreading hate or anything else.